Myself Aaaratrika Solanki. I am in class 5th A from MBS International School. Today I am going to present a story in a form of a puppet show. The title of my story is Appu the Fault Finder. This is my setup. Now I will show my characters that is in my story. This is Daisy. This is Nia. And this is Daisy's grandmother. This is Appu. This is Ballu. This is Foxy. And this is Monty. So let's begin the story. There was a girl named Daisy, had a habit of finding fault in everyone. She used to judge people so quickly. One day, one girl named Nia came to her. "Hi Daisy, would you like to play with me?" "Yeah, what do you really think I will play with you? Look at yourself. How cheap and ugly you look. I don't want to play with you." Nia left and suddenly Daisy's grandmother appeared. "Daisy! Daisy! Where are you, Daisy?" "Yes, Grandma. What happened? Tell me." "Today I saw you teasing a girl. You should not do that. This is a bad habit. Have you heard the story of Appu?" "No, Grandma. Who was Appu?" "Okay, come. I'll tell you the story." Appu, an elephant, lived in a big jungle. He used to tease all the animals. One day he saw a bear.
"How dark you are! You just like a coal. Very ugly. Cheap."
And then he saw one monkey.
"Hey, how idiotic you look! Very idiot."
He used to tease all the animals for his appearance. One day the fox decided to teach Appu a lesson. Next day, fox met to the Appu. "Hey dear Appu, you are very busy in finding other faults. Have you even looked at yourself?"
My fault? What do you mean?
"Everyone on the earth have the one on the other fault. So better to find other fault. Look at yourself. You will find that on your own body so big, eyes so small, ears so big, and nose how to hangs down." After listening, the Appu felt very quietly. He went to a pond. One day he saw his reflection. He felt bad for the fox run, and he understood he was wrong. "So Daisy, now you know we should become a good human being." "I am sorry, Grandma. I will never treat anyone like this again." "Okay, good, Daisy." So the moral of the story is we should never judge anyone so quickly because no one is perfect, and think before you speak.